On 8 November 2016, Indian government demonetized 501,000 rupee notes that were in circulation and announced the issuance of new 502,000 rupee notes. Time limit was set to exchange old notes with new ones. Using Aadhaar card no as proof, government can know how much currency was deposited or exchanged by individuals. Why Indian government implemented demonetization move to counter black money. People who have black money cannot be able to deposit the old currency easily. So black money can be taken out of circulation. So, a good chunk of black money will be taken out of circulation, strengthening India's economy to instill fear among the tax evaders that they are not inescapable if they follow illegal practices. This move is intended to be a big blow to the corruption, drug trafficking, and smuggling, because all these activities are carried out with black money. Most of the fake currency will be out of the system. Old notes are allowed to be paid for utility bills. This will clear lots of outstanding bills, which will have positive impact on economy. With this move, owners of informal organizations are more likely to register their organizations to transform them into formal organizations. Because only formal organizations can deposit huge amounts of money showing legitimate proofs of their taxes and transactions. More formal organizations means more tax revenue for governments. Initial support for the demonetization step, when the move was implemented, it garnered a lot of support. This step was termed as innovative and people thought that this will pave the way towards corruptionless India. Supreme Court responded negatively to the petition asking for withdrawal of the demonetization move and said that the move is laudable. Chhattisgarh is the first state to pass notion supporting the demonetization move. International response to this move was positive. Actual positive outcomes, no, of digital transactions is increased to a great extent. Cashless economy, though most of the demonetized notes return to the system, government has the details of all transactions and hence can crack down black money and tax evasions. Hence demonetization is not a failure, it promoted tax culture. Due to demonetization move, many people declared their black money under voluntary disclosure of income scheme and paid taxes for the same. At least 1% of the demonetized currency didn't return to system, which means a small part of the black money is eliminated from the economy. Digitization of financial systems including banking has fastened due